First, you need to cut ice cream stick. And next, cut an ice cream stick about 6 centimeters. You need to glue a piece of ice cream stick. Just like that, glue another stick. Cut a base like this. Glue a piece of stick on top. And next step is to cut a tiny piece of stick and make tiny hole in it. Glue on the back of car base. Next, you need wooden stick as axle. You need tiny pieces for make hook. Glue it on the axle. Use rubber band and glue it on the center. Use bottle cap as a wheel. It worked very well. And next is to cut a tiny piece of stick and make tiny hole in it. And glue it on another piece. And use a stick as a front axle. And glue it on the top. And use more bottle cap as a wheel. Please like and subscribe my channel for more. And make some F1 parts and assemble on the base. Our rubber power F1 car is done.